My name is Alyssa. For my science project, I'm going to do an edible volcano. First, you need 10 cups full of Rice Krispies, half a cup of butter, 80 large marshmallows, 1 jar marshmallow fluff, 1 cup of ice cream, 1 can with whipped cream, 1 can root beer. I put 10 cups of Rice Krispies so far in the bowl. With help from my mother, I'm going to put a half a stick of butter in the pot. After the butter is done heated, you're going to add the marshmallows. And now we're going to add the Rice Krispie treats. Next, we're going to put on the Rice Krispies and mold it. Once the Rice Krispie treats are cool, we're going to mold them up into a volcano using the glass as our foundation. This is fun work. Now we're going to melt the chocolate pieces in the microwave that we're going to use to help the volcano stay for the science fair tomorrow. And we're going to paint our edible volcano with melted chocolate. Yummy! This is great volcano chocolate.
Okay, Alyssa, what have you added to the volcano so far?
I added ice cream.
Okay, now you're going to next add the root beer?
Yes.
Alright, we'll get a close-up. Let's do it. Now we can see the lava coming down the sides. Pretty neat. Very good. Thank you, Alyssa.